Hey y'all, I'm so excited we have some new packages for our vintage Barbie here. And let's start opening them. We just got this these handmade crochet dresses. So yeah, let's see. Found these on eBay. They're about $8 each, and they're new. They're handmade, and you have these little ruffles on the bottom. This is like a light pink. It looks more purple on camera. Really nicely made. It's got the vintage little clasps here. Yeah, and really cute. It's got like even this lining underneath. Oh my god. I'll link where I got these in the description, okay? Yeah, that sounds good. So it's even got the same kind of fabric as the outfit she has on here. This one too. It's really pretty. Look how they made that. Oh my god, it's got these little shimmers. I didn't even know that. This one is so pretty. Has a little paper flower here and a nice lace on the bottom. This is really nice. That's Plantation Girl Barbie. So let's see what else is next. We got this next package here. And so this is another kind of. This one is actually a vintage, probably from the 70s or 60s, but I have to wash it. But I just wanted something kind of soft and pretty and handmade. Yeah, I like it. Really cute. It'll look really cute, like with her cute little white sunglasses and her purse. Yes, love that one. Okay. Let's check out maybe this one. This one actually came. This one came. I ordered off. This one came from Fabiola of Hollywood dolls. So they just had a doll sale and I missed out. I set an alarm and everything, but they sold out in like less than like 6 minutes. It was crazy. There weren't that many for sale, but let's see what we got here. So cute. So hi John, thank you so much for your order. Enjoy your glasses. Mike. Oh my gosh. They're from Cedric's of Hollywood. Oh my god, look at it. It comes in a cute little designer bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at those. But we got some new birthday sunglasses. Oh my god, look how they wrapped it. It's like Louis Vuitton. Oh my god. Look at these cute little glasses. Oh my god. I tried to get a Fabiola of Hollywood doll, but they sold out so fast. So all I got were these. Kind of Saint Laurent inspired. I have this little iridescence inside. And very cupid. Valentine's. Love them. Let's take those ones off and try these ones on her. Let's see. Okay. So we've got one more. Let's see. This one's really pretty green. I kind of don't want to mess it up, but oh well. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this one is called Barbie and Holland. Yeah, let's see. It came with this nice card. Let's see what they wrote. Oh, thanks. That's really nice. Hope you enjoy. Keep on eye for future listings. Talented vintage Barbie to sell. Kathy. Thanks, Barbie. Funny. So, comes in a nice bag, and this is from like 1962 or 64, and it's got her cute little bonnet here. So funny. And then we've got this vintage Barbie jacket, and it's got the same kind of pattern as the skirt here, so really cute. I just love the colors. These are like my favorite colors. It just needs like a mint or a turquoise, but the green and blue, my favorite. I love this orange, the beige, whatever, purple, pink, love it. It's super long, longer than the other skirts I have. Really pretty. Ooh. And then it came with a little apron. I guess Barbie and Holland. She maybe is a baker. So yeah, let's try some of these outfits on Barbie.